Now we see that how we can use the open babel in the terminal. So we were somewhere in ligand. We have the files here last time, and I have copied the file in data. In data, I will check I got the different files. So let's check if the open babel is installed here or not. So easy thing is open babel dash caps v. It will let me know what open babel is. If by accidentally you type the lower letter V, it will not give you the proper answer. It will give you some error. So the main thing is using a capital letter V. Okay, if you want to generate the files like OpenBabel, you want to generate the ligands which are optimized and they have the 3D coordinates actually. What you need to do, I will check ls. Here you can see the optimized folder which is present here. So let me make it again. First, I will remove it. Okay, this is a directory. I have to do rf command. Okay, let's see, there is no optimized. So I will say mkdir. I will say optimized. So let's check. It has made a folder. So we will use this command actually, and we will optimize our SDF file. So let me clear the screen. So I will copy and paste the command. It says in this command, few things are important. So open babel, this is our file name, and then this is O, caps O, means output. Output will be stored in optimize folder and in this particular file name. Okay, what it's need to do, generate 3D coordinates, minimize the files. What will be the force field? That is universal force field. Now I will press enter. Now it will take a few seconds, few minutes, depending on the speed of your laptop, and it will convert all the ligands which are present in SDF actually into the files which contains the three-dimensional coordinates. If not present them, it will minimize them by using the force field, which is universal force field. You can see here. So it will take, I think, minute and a half. So 75 molecules have been converted. So we have converted the molecules successfully. If we want to, if we want to convert all these files into the mol 2, actually, we can do that. So I will say mkdir mol2. I will make another folder, and here ls I will check mol2 is formed. So I will copy this command here, paste, and I will paste it. So what does it command says? Open babel. This is our file ligands underscore optimized. So I'm not gonna use optimized one. I'm gonna use ligands underscore 100 actually. Okay, and output will be this O. Where it should be? It should be in the directory mol2 which we have made now, and name is ligand underscore dash m says all the components, they will be split it into ligand underscore 1 2 3 4. So this is our final command. I will press enter. It says 75 molecules are converted. Let's see where it is. I will say cd, I will say mol2. Here you can see all our 75 compounds, they have been converted into mole. If we want to say actually they are converted into mole 2 format or not, here you can see the now the format is actually the mole 2, and it is three-dimensional format. It has been converted. So this is how you can convert into three-dimensional form. And if we want to actually convert these file into the smileys, very easy. how? We'll copy and paste this command. What does it says? It says you should have a file present in folder optimized. So this slash, it shows folder, and this is a file name, and this is, it should make smileys. We are in the optimized folder, and it should be ligand underscore SMI. Okay. Okay, this is a command, but first we have to go back into the data folder. So I will say cd, I will type the command here, and I will press enter. It says 75 molecule converted. Let's see either they are converted or not. I will go into cd optimized. I will press ls. Here you can see the nano, and we say ligand dot SMI. Here you can see the smileys for all compounds are present here. So here you can see, okay, here you can see the mouse is not working and you are in some kind of trouble. I have shown you that you can install the VSL code in the last video, that how you can install that. So how to use that? Actually, you just need to press code, and then you will say ligand.smi, press enter. Automatically this will be opened into VSL, and in VSL it's very easy to use the mouse and everything. So you can see this file very easily, and whenever you want to go back, you can press it and then you are back. Even the descriptor, I will go back here. I have this file which is CSV file. CSV file you can open very beautifully, like code ligand underscore metadata, and it will be open into VSL code. And VSL code even give us an option that either you want to install the rainbow.csv, so it will color code it. So I will prefer, okay, I will install it, and here I will install this rainbow.csv. So I will prefer that you should install it, and whenever you will install it, and you will go back into your file, here you can see that everything is now color coded. Aims, yes, no, yes, no. And then there is this kind of the LD50 value. So you can separate them very easily in this particular way. So, so once it's installed, you can use it every time. So I will just go back here. So this is how you can use nano thing, you can use code, and then you can open any file. Because in the next videos, we are gonna use the Python scripts by using, and we are gonna modify them into the VSL code by using this command, which is code and then Python file name, and everything will be very easy. And we have also discussed in last video about these bash commands, that how to use them. Just look at that, and then in the next video you will be ready to use the Python and Miniconda. Thank you.